Of course, a web font must consist of both lowercase and uppercase alphabet letters and numbers. It is noteworthy that some fonts only contain uppercase letters. For example, Bungie and Bebas New fonts lack glyphs for lowercase letters. In addition to alphabets and numbers, a good font must have these necessary glyphs for punctuation marks and symbols as shown on screen. These glyphs should be part of your selected font because these glyphs or characters are commonly used in our text. The list also includes space glyph. So what glyphs should be part of a great web font? Please share your opinion in comments. You can learn more about font facts and usage tips in next videos by Dozro. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. Thank you so much for your time.